Hello everybody, welcome to Taste Cover channel. You don't want to eat outside in your lunchtime, or you're gonna prepare lunch bag to your children? Let's make easy cold soup for your lunchtime. Let me show you ingredients. It's easy and simple. I have 1 cucumber and 1 tomatoes, Philadelphia cheese, or if you want mayo or something else, but I prefer Philadelphia cheese, cream cheese, provolone or other cheese. You can use pepper jack, Swiss cheese, American cheese, or mozzarellas, no matter. I have roast turkey here, or your choice. You can use roasted chicken or whatever you want. Lettuce and soft bread. I have 12 inches. If you want, you can use smaller or bigger. Let's jump into it and make that delicious sandwich. Now I'm gonna cut the bread like that, and I will heat it a little bit in the oven. Slice the cucumber. I will slice very thin slices. I think that's enough. And tomatoes. Couple leaves. Lettuce. I love extra lettuce. Extra lettuce. Alright, everything ready? Let's move on. Soft bread. I'm gonna put some cream cheese. And cucumber, tomatoes, I'll put some turkey, roast turkey. Then cheese. Oh my God, I can't wait to taste it. Then extra lettuce. I love lettuce. You can chop lettuce or not, it doesn't matter. I love lettuce. I put extra lettuce. So it's your choice. If you want, you can put less or extra. Now our sandwich will be ready. Look at that beautiful sandwich, guys. Cut in half. Enjoy it. Alright guys, our delicious sandwich is ready. It's perfect and easy to make for your lunchtime or your kids' lunchtime at school. Don't forget, write any of your comments or idea. Please write on comment section, and don't forget, click that notification bell. Until next time, you have a great day. I have couple more sandwich recipes. Please follow next video. Let's taste it. Hmm. Got it. It's perfect. Taste Cover channel covers the taste.